to live in so I can fulfill my destiny.
Destiny? Sounds like an amazing oddball animal fact.
Hello? Jefferson? Is everything okay? We heard alarms, which is very alarming.
Oh, there's loads of them. We have to cancel that call before they hear the tune. Oh, where's my tablet? Cancel call!
Your ship nearly took off. There are rumors of a cancellation.
Slight hiccup there. More of a tiny burp, really. But everything will be ready for the show. Nothing alarming here. Ah, no! Stop that worm! Come back!
Oh, who's this distracting cutie booty?
Audrey, come back!
Slow coach. Can't catch me. Oh. Na 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 na.
Let her escape! Catch her in something!
Can't catch me.
Caught it! I caught the earworm!
That's an earworm.
Get me out of here.
Everything's under control. Oh, so this is Nova's unfinished tune for tonight. Nova, this is only 7 notes and... Oh, but it's good. It's catchy.
Yeah. No, McLaren, stop reading.
Nova, I can read music. The earworm is... It's bypassed my earmuffs.
Looks like McLaren's caught the earworm too.
Great. Another head occupied.
Catchy little number, that. Yes, I'm hearing that one, Kiri. It's not a bad ditty at all, Lee. Sounding good, Frank. Na 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 na.